I was leaving work and was struck by a car crossing the center line, hitting me head on.
I was at work and I missed the phone call, so I checked my voicemail, and there was a sheriff who had left a message for me telling me that John had been in a car accident.
My right leg was broken and exposed. I broke the top off my pelvis. I broke the ball off my humerus. I had hairline and crush fractures all along the left side of my left foot.
What John experienced is catastrophic multi-trauma injuries that permanently changed the trajectory of his life.
I have a personal friend who is a contracts lawyer call me and say, "Did you get a lawyer yet?" And I said, "I don't need a lawyer. This is obviously not our fault."
It's very unusual for the insurance company just to hand over the money, even if the injuries are as serious and as obvious as they were for John.
Usually the insurance companies, they don't want to pay. We are here to handle the frustration and the anxiety and put our clients at ease.
We try to insulate them from the ugliness of the legal system.
As much was taken off of our plates as possible to make the transition about my recovery rather than about trying to figure out what we were going to do for money, what we were going to do for the accident.
Making sure he's getting the treatment he needs and that there's not undue stress put on John or his family as a result of the legal process.
And gave us the time to just be a family and heal. They were able to negotiate a settlement with the insurance company for $2.3 million, which was far, beyond my wildest expectations.
They've all been super helpful, very responsive, and incredibly polite.
I honestly felt that he wanted to see the wrong righted. And it was very clear that there was a plan in place all along. And the best part is that I didn't have to know anything about it. I'm not a lawyer. I know nothing about law. And if I had been left to my own devices, nothing would have turned out anywhere near as well as it did.
Being able to maximize our settlement gives us some peace of mind. Things aren't back to normal, but I think they're as close to normal as they're going to get.
And money can't ever undo what they've gone through and what they continue to go through, but hopefully it makes it a little easier. And they know they can get the care they need, they can make accommodations for the limitations, and they can get on with their lives.
I have nothing but praise and appreciation for everything Matt did.